Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I also thank the Honorable Member. Honorable Speaker, each federation is independent, and some of these federations have already developed their own code of conduct, including the value statements. Honorable Speaker, it is also important to note that most of our sporting federations are affiliated to the international sporting organizations, and they are aligned with the operations in regards to the rules and regulations from the international bodies. Honorable Speaker, if one tends to read the National Development Plan 3.1.8, Fiji First Government has already suggested that we need to have a National Sports Academy. Honorable Speaker, the National Sports Academy will establish to support the development of future sports passion. Sports development will include talent identification, specialized training exposure to specialized coaching and training methods, and management of sports injury. Honorable Speaker, as of now, there is no code of conduct or legislation from the government to these affiliates, but this is what we have been talking whole of this week in sports: anti-doping, drugs, legislation, policies. Exactly. I've been saying this to this House for the last 3-4 days, and I can assure the Honorable House that we are working towards that legislation, Honorable Speaker.